Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to create a new group chat on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Click on the messenger icon from the top right corner. Tap on the edit icon in the top right corner of your screen. Now, you will see new messages. Choose at least 2 friends with whom you want to create a new group. You can also search for friends from the search box. Once you finish selecting friends, tap on chat. And you will create a new group on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to create a new group chat on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.